Now that we've finished creating our survey, let's see what our survey looks like. By clicking on the Start Survey, we'll see here is our question 1 with our options. Moving on to Next for question 2 and our options. And then our last question, question 3. Now, our settings were set so that each question was put on a separate page, and we've restricted to each person to respond to one time. Everyone can participate, and we will require that everyone has a screen name. Now let's test our question, our survey, and let's simulate what 5 participants look like. So our progress bar moves as each question is answered, and here we see that 1 survey is done and 4 surveys are left. Now these surveys can be taken right here at this web address. This will be given to our participants through their mobile device or computer, where they could see the survey and complete it. Now let's see what our options are to present. By clicking on the How to Present, we can download our survey into a PowerPoint, and this will show us how to share our poll as a link and to activate or publish our poll so that our participants can take it. We've got to click on this little button up here. Now, this just changed. It says to complete the survey, go to this web address. So now our poll is live. Here are some more options where we can hide the responses. We can lock the survey to prevent responses. We can clear our poll results, expand our screen, and these left and right buttons will move us back and forth through our poll.